defending fully Dunce. Hi, I'm Debbie. Toaster from Montego Bay takes credit for a catchphrase that's provoked an ongoing backlash. Ballandor DJ Jamal says it's a wake-up call to a community that's overlooked and ignored. But is he on the level or just spouting more antisocial nonsense?
Things and time change. So if you listen to music back then, most men are sing about Selassie and down by the river. Nobody now go down by the river again. Pipe running at their house.
Mobe DJ tapping into trap and the usual lyrics, chopping, taking care of business, name brands, the luxury lifestyle. Well over 1 million views on YouTube for his current number, Ballandor. Not fit for airplay per the Broadcasting Commission's rulebook. Not that Jamal could care less. He's living the life and claiming authorship of Fully Dunce as a kind of trap hall catchphrase.
Jamal back in the day used to be the Jamaica movement for the advancement of literacy. But I hear what you're pushing is a Dunce vibe. How can Jamal work with Dunce?
How can Jamal work with Dunce? It already a work already. It's a new thing.
This whole thing with Dunce, did it all start with you?
Yeah, man, everything started from about 2012, you know. So it become a food basket for whole heap of youth. At the end of the day, we forward with something, and when we look, everybody push out them plate and I collect something to go on with. So, of course, we're kind of glad so them can jump on it and survive one way too. But I want Dunce man, and that's me.
So the people who have happily used your Dunce metaphor, do they acknowledge that the Dunceness originated with you?
And all the slang them with them thief, we go report them stolen. They owe me.
The cops have pulled the plug on events he's been booked for.
No, it's just that the Dunce man, I want to Marcus Garvey them, you know, in a new farm, you know, so come with a whole heap. You understand?
You're comparing yourself to Marcus Garvey?
Yeah, cause we are for the people. You understand? So me end up get blame on some little thing where, as me I say, community, environment, and you understand? But the Fully Dunce thing now, I have to wake them up. Me grew up in a girl to be and me observe and see whole heap of thing. And me see when enough youth fall short. Them just fall short because them don't know how to come to you to ask you a simple question, what a word, yeah? How to do this and how to do that. So the Dunce thing kind of bring it out in them, free them up to can express themselves more. And then we don't laugh at you. We understand, say, all right, you're slow, but we are going to listen to you. So the Fully Dunce thing is just, you know, the youth, them will really think that them nah no future, or life stop this for them. Them have a far away from government. Self-belief.
The jump in popularity of trap dancehall roughly coinciding with the rise of scamming.
Why is the message in the lyric so negative?
Dancehall always negative, you know. Dancehall where you live and you see, you know.
But aren't you also giving people what you think they want to hear?
Yes, because them a customer. We have to feed them with them. We see them a buy. You understand? Me's a businessman. So, if me have a wholesale and me see rice or sell more flour, me not go bother get too much flour.
So you're more of a businessman than you are a DJ?
Me's a DJ, right? But being a DJ, you also have to deal with the business part. So if you don't know how to analyze and identify what people take more, you will end up lost your way to.
But don't you think there should be some social value to music, that it serves a larger good? It's not just business?
Yes I know, you know. You understand? Because right now, music is a thing where if we make you survive and if we make nobody really proud of you and glad about you. This is a survival thing. So, the music, when enough artists used to do first time, them still not reach where them want to reach. Good music, and nobody still not to know them, and them still hungry.
So before you became a DJ, things were so tough for you that you were strictly 24/7 focused on survival?
Yeah, because Jamaica this. Your main priority that, focus on survival. at the end of the day, as me say, what you see and what you hear, and that come out in our music. If you is a person who love music so much, you still have to learn how to control yourself and don't make the music influence you too much, because I'm not just scamming alone in night. We don't commit no crime. Talking what you see and singing about what you see every day, that is not our offense. We sing about everything. But as me I show you, say, people go take out where them feel like should it in there or you should it say, and then them point fingers at you. You get me? I said, that's why I said Dunce. So the embarrassment, the shame, the flaws, all of that, me left that somewhere, me never remember. Me not really, me too Dunce to really understand what people I say about me or not like about me.
But you can't plead dunceness in a court of law if you were to get in trouble.
Court of law? Yeah, court, because me dunce, me get leniency.
Mention some names who are now dancehall legends.
Don't you aspire to something? Don't you aspire to that kind of greatness?
Where them accomplish?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
But how can you get there how can you get there talking about chopping and scamming?
Because the earth changed. It a revolve around chopping and scamming now.
Give me a line now that you're proud of, that you own it.
Fully Dunce, but not literally. Lyrically, me no see nobody better than me. Dancehall new era. Where we go on this? Check the analogy. Fully Dunce is a slang, but too much big word in that song there.
I don't know. I think Bounty Beanie, Sizzler Win, hands down.
All of them things come with the Dunce thing, so you know, face me.
You've been doing a little touching up with the, because your face looks a little red.
I'm the artist, man.
Well, I thought all of that went out a long time ago.
Oh, man. You have to buy looks, man. Looks sell to you, no father.
Your big song is Ballandor. We can't play it because you're talking about scamming, you're talking about chopping, and the Broadcasting Commission will withdraw our television license or fine us if any of those lyrics go out on television. But tell me about your big song anyway.
Ballandor. Medallion a Ballandor, man. We say go for your bag, we never fumble, you know. So I just a man if you just understand, say what you go get the money there, you see me? Yeah, cause we need it. Turn up the hustling game in anything you do. Just make sure you focus on the money and the future. So the Ballandor song is just for the hard-working people, then, no matter where you work. It's a motivational song. You might learn from the theory, and next one I learn from the experience, where him see with him eye. Him can memorize that.
So you feel that you're a spokesman for the Dunce people?
Yes, man. Next government, man. Yes, man. I will a few people, them father. True believer, you see it, man. True believer, man. Believe me, man.
When Jamaica kind of checks you out on this interview, what do you think they're going to take away from how you're coming across to them?
Me no business where they take away. I mean, I tap and think where them I go take away. Me just want to remember me, say me exist. You see, today, 2024, and a 99 again. Whole heap of things change. So the market for the trap, you know, big as the reggae and as the international market where it should have there, but it will grow because of something new. You understand? So in a due time, you go get there. You as a consumer and a customer have to know where you buy and where you observe. Everything is for sale, everything is out there. You understand? Me not take no blame for my music, I mislead nobody.